We adopted Junie because she truly was the most unique, special, and capable cat. She loves to ski on hardwood.
Let's go.
We call it skiing because it quite literally looks like she is skiing or skating without any snow or ice. Most people react to Junie's appearance with complete awe and joy. It's so cute to watch her running and skiing around the house. We met Junie B through a friend who was originally fostering her. Unfortunately, Junie and their other cat were not getting along, so she asked if we would be interested in taking over the foster. Of course, we said yes, and Junie has never left our home since. Junie was born with a front limb deformity, which essentially just causes restricted use of her front paws. Her deformity did not deter us whatsoever. If anything, it made us love her more. That being said, we make sure she takes joint supplements and visits her veterinarian regularly. We have an incredible vet who loves Junie very much and keeps a close eye on her. We built a bond with Junie pretty quickly. Within days, she was sleeping with us, snuggling us, and it was a really smooth adjustment. Because of Junie's limb deformity, she loves to ski. It also allows her to get around quickly and with ease. Junie loves to be active. She also loves to walk, run, and jump. She will even get the zoomies and start running all around. Junie's pretty sassy, but she's also really sweet. The only time she really demands much is if she wants to play. Junie always comes to greet our family and friends and loves to snuggle, play, and of course, eat tuna. We are always filled with joy as well as complete happiness knowing that she is capable, happy, and having a good time. Not only has Junie changed our lives for the better every day, but she has brought so much joy and inspiration.